Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Optimize your fuel economy while saving money in the long term with the great miles per gallon offered in this vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.